And here you go, Team Davao.
13 seconds.
Shoot of the 3. Bang! Corner pass.
5 on 3.
Bang! Target. Hinay, nagmamadali.
And
Was on the inside lace, easy bucket. Distansya si Idol, umatake, number 8.
stop pull up.
Jumper. Off, bucket for 2. So mga Idol, nandito tayo ngayon sa Do or Die semifinals ng Batang Pinoy Basketball 2024 para sa laban ng Region 7 Cebu versus Region 11 Davao. Here you go, jump ball here. Number 5 versus number 11. And first ball possession. Dribble. And pass to number 3. Ang gandang pass. In the field. Possession for Cebu. The long pass here. And the recover. And pass to number 18. Fires a 3. Off the target. And rebound para sa koponan. Still Cebu. Pass on the inside. The connection. And the finish. And number 6, lays, yes sir. And here you go at the mid of the court. And tatake dito. Pass on the inside and fires. Bucket for 2. And here you go, Team Cebu at the middle. Umatake mula sa gitna. Spin move number 4. Bucket is good off the wing. And crosses the mid lane number 1. And long pass there. Kicks on the corner for 3. Bang! 3 point. And crosses the mid lane here. Drive, side step. Reverse layup. Bucket for 2. And number 8. Drives. Lays. Uy, nilipat sa kabila yung Cebu. Sumegway number 14 to the middle. Dumistansya si Idol. Umatake. Number 8. Stop pull-up jumper. Off. Bucket for 2. Davao. Number 59, nagmamadali. And pass on the inside lace, easy bucket. And stops to the middle. Pass back. Drives. Kicks out. Pull up jumper. Off the mark. And number 7 dito, corner pass. Side step. Sa gitna, lace again. Crosses the mid lane, number 14. Launches on 3 off the target and the rebound. Nagmamadali. And nakagawan mga Idol. And here you go, number 2. Tuloy-tuloy, lace. Easy bucket. Here. Crossover move. Oop. Na double dribble. 7 here. Tuloy-tuloy. Supal-pal. My foul. And number 7 setting the play. Picks, flyers off the glass. Bucket is good. And here's Team Cebu. 5 seconds. Sa 3. Oh, that's the end. And second quarter action here. Number 1 for Team Davao. The bounce pass, the deliver, and the finish. And number 12 here. To number 26. To number 17. And drives. Floater. Off the mark. And the pass break here. Number 18. Reverse layup. Bucket is good. And here you go, Team Davao. The crossover. Stops. Kicks out. Close the ball. At nagmamadali dito. Number 17 holds the ball. Pass to the middle. Number 26. Pass to the middle. Launches on 3. Bang! Bulls. And number 1, is and 1. And spin move. Drives. Pass to the middle. Number 99 fakes. Bounce pass. Number 18 fakes. Floater. Bucket is good. Number 6. Pass to the middle. Number 26. Number 1. Number 17. Between the legs. Number 12. Fake, drives, what ace, no good. Naagawan dito. 3 on 2, binit-bit. May hands po. Anspo. Number 1, number 7 for 3. Bam! Slowly moving down the crossover. Pass to number 26, corner pass. Drives, spins, kicks out. Number 12, fires on 3. Bang! Bulls. Number 14 here holds the ball for Davao. Corner pass, number 1. Holds the ball, pass to the middle. Pull up Jay at free throw area. Bagat is good. 14 crosses the mid lane. Between the legs dribble. Di-discarded dito. At pasa sa gilid. Number 2 holds the ball. Umatake lays. Won't go. Rebound nakuha ng number 13. Falls up. Yes sir. 13 to number 1. Davao. And dribbling the ball here. Bounce pass on the inside. Uy! Kinaliwa! The reverse line. And number 13. Offensive pa. And number 1 here setting the play for Davao. And number 59. Kumakaldag dito, spins. Kicks out. Pull up J. Free throw area. In and out. Oops. Kicks out. Sagun. Corner. Launch on 3. Bang! 3 ball. And saves the ball. Number 13. Pull up J. Too strong. And here's Team Davao. And number 3. Ginugulo ni number 14. Bounce pass to the middle. Pick and roll. Pinasa pa. Extra pass inside of the glass. And good decision. Rebound dito para sa Cebu. Pass break ngayon. Nauna. Eksakto yung pass. Lays. Bagat is good. And here's number 15. Natapikan na agawan. Dribbling the ball here. Number 14. Pass to the middle. Fix. Drives. Lays. Won't go. Rebound, put back shot off the window. Bagat is good. And here's Team Davao. Number 14, no look pass. Inside pass. Ang gandang pasahan yun. Number 7, picks. Fires on 3. Bang! 3 points. Drives. Pass on the inside. Oops. Na-recover. Na-put back shot na. Rebound ng Cebu, ng Davao. Behind the back reball. Number 1, corner pass. Pinapaikot yung bola sa 3. Still no good. And here's number 1. Pass on the inside. Lays. Bagat for 2. Number 17. Ginugulo ni number 14. And pass to number 7. Di distansya number 3. Stops. Pull up J. No good. Rebound Cebu. Here comes Cebu number 18. Number 18 to number 14 Yong. Yong holding the ball. Dribbling the ball. Corner pass. Number 7. Drives. Lays. Nakalusot. Easy bucket. Number 7. And the long pass here. Sakto yung pass. Fix. Clutch. So palpal. My foul. Number 3. Di distansya. Stops. Biglang tumira sa 3. Bang! Nating number 18. Bounce pass. Di distansya. Binasa kay number 7. Number 7 holds the ball. Pass back number 4. Number 4 spins between the legs dribble. And drives. Sidestep water. Shot of the window won't go. And bola mapupunta sa kuponan ng Davao. Yes, pass there. Number 59 lays. Kinaliwa. Back and forth. Nakuha ni number 18 ng Davao. Ng Cebu. Number 17 binitbit. Lays. Back is good. Number 17 Torres. Number 10 coach to coach lays. Back is good. Ito na. Binato. And pull up J. No good. And crosses the mid lane. Number 14 lays. Yes sir. Dribbling the ball number 14. Straight oops. Nakakuha dito ng ng Davao, nakakuha ng Cebu. Number 14, bounce pass. Nakuha ng Davao. Pass inside, Lays, bucket is good. And number 7 here. Pass to number 14. Number 14 drives to the middle, straight to the hoops. Basket is good. And here you go, dribbling the ball. Behind the back dribble, naagawan ng Cebu. Side step, tinignan pa yung gwardiya. Oh! Kuha ng Team Davao. Number 7, the flash. Nakipulot, pass, oh! Baldog, nakabangan yung magkasama. Pero nabuhay. Tumayo, oh! Pass onside, extra pass. Grabe yung nagkakabagsakan. For the inbound here. And here you go, number 13, Lays. Yes, sir. Number 1. Setting the play. To the middle, number 18. Picks, drives, kicks out. Number 7, walled open for 3. Off the mark, pull up. Oh, follow-up shot, wala. And number 18, corner pass, stops. For 3. Bang! 3. And number 14, ibababa ang bola, binalik, nakuha. Number 7, Lays, bucket is good. 15, almost lost the ball, recovered, pass to the corner, pass back, Lays, bucket is good. Down to 3. Number 14, crosses the mid lane. Pass to number 7, pass back number 14. And number picks behind the back pass na agawan. Number 7, the flash, sinausaw, easy bucket. And number 3, dumistansya. Umatake, naagawan, reverse layup, na, oops. Dito na naagawan. Binit-bit, Lays, easy bucket. 3 ball for Cebu. Number 17 na Dulas. Pass to the corner. Fires on 3. Off the mark. Rebound, mapupunta sa hoop. Nag-dive silang dalawa. Number 4 to number 7. Umatake, side step, nabitawan, recover, fires, wala. Rebound number, oops.
The ball possession region 11.
And pass break. Number 18. Oops. Spins. Plays away. Oh! Basket and 1. Tie game. Number 4 here. Dribbling the ball. For Cebu. And Di Discarte. Looking for the clock. Down to 5. Pinasa sa likod. Oh! Gandang connection nun. Needs to play. And still Cebu 2 point lead, nakalusot, Lays, supalpal. Cebu number 3, drives, corner, 5, tie game. On the game clock, 14 seconds on the shot clock, 13. And down to 10 seconds, shot clock. And asking for the pick, number 14, Drumival, nalos the ball. And here you go, there's a chance. Corner pass, picks, and drives. Oh, may foul! May foul! Ito. Just one free throw. Panalo na sila. Panalo na sila! Oh! Uy! Dali! Technical! Mate-technical natin, nakaubad eh. Na-technical sila po. Technical. Ito magkakalaman sa free throw. Ito yung technical free throw. Oh! Mga idol, dalawang free throw pala yun. Isa pa. Bakit? Tie game. Dito magkakalaman yung free throw. Pag pumasok to, panalo na sila. Oh! Tie game overtime. First ball possession, Cebu. Pass to number 14. Umatake sa gitna. Hook shot, may foul. Team Davao. And now, Cebu up by 2, tuloy-tuloy, Lace, sinausaw. Pasok yan. And here's number 2 for Team Cebu. And dumistansya, pinasa kay number 14. Number 14 now holds the ball. Dribbling the ball. Stops. Bounce pass. Bounce pabalik. Pull up J. And in and out. Na-rebound sinikwat sa likod. Baseball pass. Nauna Lace. Eksakto yung tira. Eksakto. Number 7 to number 2. Slowly dribbling the ball. Drives. Lace. Back end and 1. Number 3 spins. Oops. And here you go, number 3. Dumistansya, corner pass. Fakes. Drives. Lace. Basket and 1. Sa 3. Wala. Battle for the rebound. Oh. Jump ball. Jump ball. Oops. Mapupunta sa Cebu na una. And all alone for the lead. Team Davao. And number 3 Sumalita. Step pass for the lead. And still Cebu up by 1. Corner pass. Fires on 3. Short. Once number 3 setting the play for Team Davao. Between the legs, drives, step back, fires, won't go, and still rebound. Pong, gandang pasa, floater, no good, still rebound, good back by foul. 2 on the free throw, 1, and last throw, still bucket, or the inbound is Sagun. Sagun. Pass to the middle. Number 14, setting the play. Corner pass, fires on 3. Bang! Taigi! Slowly moving down. And drives. Kicks out. Fires on 3. Wide open. Off target. Rebound na pupunta sa Cebu. And here you go, Team Cebu, number 7. And pass to number 2, Sagun. To number 14, Young. Young holding the ball. Pass to number 13 for 3. No good, rebound. Off the glass, number 7. 23 seconds on the game clock. 19 seconds to shoot. And here you go, Team Davao. 13 seconds to shoot after 3. Bang! For the lead! Go. 1 point lead. Sagun on the inbound. 11 seconds on the shot clock. In the game clock. And number 4. And drive to the middle. Nada pa, may foul. Oh, 2 on the free throw. Pushing back. 2 on the free throw line for the tie. Oh! No good. For the tie. Number 4. No good. Oh! And here you go. Oop out. 2 on the free throw line. First throw. Wala. And 4 seconds left. Pasok yan. No more timeout. Pinasa. Nahagaw. Oh! Oh, loses the ball. 1.5 seconds left. Kailangan nila dito. Free. And 2-point lead para sa Davao. And here. Fires. Oh! Winner. Team.
For Region 11, Davao. And the winner.